Hello everyone, welcome to Free Learning School. Today we will see few famous quotes by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Ralph Waldo Emerson was an American essayist, lecturer, philosopher and poet who led the transcendentalist movement of the mid-19th century. He was seen a champion of individualism and a prescient critic of the countervailing pressures of society. Let's see his few famous quotes. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. What lies behind you and what lies in front of you pales in comparison to what lies inside of you. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. For every minute you remain angry, you give up 60 seconds of peace of mind. It is one of the blessings of old friends that you can afford to be stupid with them. In art, the hand can never execute anything higher than the heart can imagine. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Though we travel the world over to find the beautiful, we must carry it with us or we find it not. He who is not every day conquering some fear has not learned the secret of life. The only way to have a friend is to be one. Once you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. Enthusiasm is the mother of effort, and without it, nothing great was ever achieved. People seem not to see that their opinion of the world is also a confession of character. You cannot do a kindness too soon, for you never know how soon it will be too late. Bad times have a scientific value. These are occasions a good learner would not miss. Character is higher than intellect. A great soul will be strong to live as well as think. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Fear defeats more people than any other one thing in the world. The sky is the daily bread of the eyes. There is an optical illusion about every person we meet. A hero is no braver than an ordinary man, but he is brave 5 minutes longer. Never lose an opportunity of seeing anything beautiful, for beauty is God's handwriting. The reward of a thing well done is having done it. We gain the strength of the temptation we resist. Flowers are a proud assertion that a ray of beauty outvalues all the utilities of the world. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising up every time we fail. In the morning, a man walks with his whole body, in the evening only with his legs. Friendship, like the immortality of the soul, is too good to be believed. Passion rebuilds the world for the youth. It makes all things alive and significant. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos and don't forget to hit the bell icon.